to get us drifting?
Donuts!
Yeah. You want to do donuts? Oh, you get dizzy. Let's just go on the track. You want to just go straight on the big track?
Yeah.
Because I got her with me.
I like the donuts.
Yeah, they actually work really well. Dude,
everybody, you've been watching Supercross this season, huh?
Yeah.
It's been a good season.
Oh yeah, it's been like a lot of up and down, like wild shit.
Yeah, you like go on like a run where
wild,
and then all of a
he
sudden,
always makes like some kind of like small mistake. I guess he's just riding against people that are actually like his 250 season was just like everybody.
Chase was fastest at that last race.
But a lot of people talk down on him, but I think he freaking rips, dude.
He ripped. I think he's still getting used to the KTM.
I honestly think he's fast.
But remember last year how many times he took the front end on the Honda? This year he hasn't done it once.
No, I think he's good on that bike.
Yeah.
All right, two, hold on tight. Sit back. Hold on tight.
Okay.
Smoke in your eye? Look, look at me, watch. Go like this. Just blink. You good? You alright?
Please don't make. Can you close it up?
I can't close it up. It's gonna come out. It's gonna go out. What happened? Too much smoke?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That was just too much smoke, huh?
Yeah.
High five, dude. You did good again. Very awesome. Wow, you did awesome. What? You want to go again? You want to go one more time?
No smoke in here. Got it?
No smoke. Got it. I can try. You want me to try one more time?
Try.
You can only go one more time.
Okay. Please.
I'ma try, bro.
Can you close it up before we go?
Huh?
Can you close it up before we go?
I could try.
Close it up.
I can't close it up
How?
because the thing is broken.
You close the windows?
Spray those. Drive forward. back drive. High five, that was fun. You did awesome.
Okay, then I'll stay here. Mr. Mike can
What?
come in. Mr. Mike can come in.
I'm just glad that you're not scared and you just have a good time, you know?
Sure that it's safe. Can I get in to drive with us? Can Mr. Mike get in to drive with us?
No, we gotta take the seat out.